Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today we're going to talk about laser engraving cups and how to clean them. So essentially, when you first engrave a cup, you're going to have like this black dust or blue dust or whatever colored cup you have. You're going to have it caked in this laser dust here. It's going to look decent, but it's not going to look super shiny like this in the light as you kind of pass through. And I'm going to share with you two different products on how to do this. And I know it'll be a quick video, but I wanted to share with you two different products. This first one I talked about in the past, and this is a melamine sponge. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong, but essentially it's a cheap version of a magic eraser, and a magic eraser will work too, but this saves you a lot of money. Basically, just put a little bit of water on it, and then you vigorously kind of sponge this, and then it'll pull up that dirt and debris, and it should be nice and shiny all on its own with one of these. However, you have to get anything that's bigger or having a stubborn spot on it, then you want to use this product here. This is a metal non-scratch cloth, and then you can kind of go over this and as vigorously as you want. It's not going to scratch up your cup like an actual scratch pad will. A scratch pad will make this nice and shiny too, but it'll leave scratches all over your cup. This will not, however. This is like two coated. You can get three coated ones as well, and you can be as vigorous as you want with them, and it won't scratch your cup, which I love. And you don't really see many people talk about this. So I wanted to basically make this video to reshare this one here and this one here. If you guys want links to either one, I'll put them down in the description below. If you guys have questions, let me know down in the comments below. And if you have something else that you use, let me know down in the comments below too, and maybe we'll test that out in a future video. Other than that, we'll catch you guys in the next one.